Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mypark parking management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mypark is a parking management app designed to help users reserve parking spaces in advance at participating locations. The platform allows drivers to secure a spot before arriving, reducing the stress of searching for parking in busy areas like shopping centers, airports, and event venues. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. The app's main feature is its real-time parking reservation system. Users can browse available spots, select a preferred space, and reserve it instantly. When they arrive, Mypark's automated system raises a barrier so the space remains exclusively theirs. Mypark aims to provide a convenient, predictable parking experience without last-minute hassles. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience of guaranteed parking, especially in high-traffic areas. The app is noted for smooth reservations, reliable spot availability, and easy on-site navigation. Businesses that partner with Mypark also benefit from better traffic flow and enhanced customer satisfaction. However, there are some drawbacks. Mypark only works in locations where the system is installed, which limits availability in many regions. The service also includes reservation fees, which some users find expensive. Additionally, technical issues like barrier malfunctions or limited customer support responses have been reported by some customers. In summary, the Mypark app may be worth using if you frequently visit busy areas and want guaranteed parking with minimal hassle. However, if the service is not available in your region or you prefer free, unreserved parking options, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.